the spoon is cold. What's up guys, it's Lisa from In The Know, and today I'm going to try to create perfectly symmetrical cut creases using eyeshadow and a spoon. I saw the trend on TikTok, and yes, I know it's a bit odd to use a kitchen utensil to do your makeup, but I'm curious to see if it actually works. Okay, so first grab an eyeshadow that is a darker hue than the one you've used as your base. I'm going to use a dark brown to create some contrast. Take your spoon and place it halfway down your eyelid. You'll want to make sure the spoon isn't too big and feels appropriate for your eye shape. Then, use a blending eye brush to buff out the eyeshadow along the top edge of the spoon. Move the brush back and forth until you've reached your desired color intensity. Okay, here's the big reveal. I honestly didn't expect this to be so easy. I love how it looks. I will say, at first the spoon was kind of cold, but honestly it probably helps reduce puffiness in the process. The final verdict is that yes, you can definitely use a spoon to outline your cut crease. Just make sure the spoon is clean first. Thanks for watching!